Hello guys, this is Shumail Heather from SyncTech Solutions. Uh, in this video I'm going to show you how you can configure your webmail on your Gmail account. So you can manage your email from your Gmail and utilize the features that Gmail offers, and especially for those who have limited space in their hosting account. So many times people are they have a lot of emails and their hosting account is not that big. They do not need that big of a hosting account because they have a simple website. So in order to save that space, you can configure this email on your Gmail account. So here I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can do this. In case you're not sure how to make your email on your cPanel or how to log in, you can watch my previous video, which is how to create email in cPanel. Now let's go ahead. I have made this email account just for the test purpose. So I have logged in to my Gmail account. I'll go into the setting right here and click see all setting. Right here you click on account and import. Now you have all these options. We have this right here, check mail from other account, add a mail account. So I'll click here, this small window will pop up. You enter your actual email that you want to use here, your official email. That is, we made it test at bizvents.com. Click next. Alright, here since it's not a Gmail account, you'd simply click next. We'll use POP3 definitely. Okay, here you enter your email detail. So in the username you'd enter complete email. So that's test at bizvents.com. Oh, sorry, I did not mention we have made this email for the test purpose. So the email address is test at bizvents.com, right? And your password here. Now this is the tricky part, so you need to watch this very carefully. POP server. Now our POP server would be a little different. You might have to check your hosting provider with your hosting provider and ask them for the POP server, or you can if you're using cPanel email, you can also find this out here. Okay, the details, you if you don't know the details, you can if you're using cPanel account, you can go log into your email, go into the Webmail home page, and down below here you see this configure mail client. Now here in this section you'll see the whole complete detail, the username, password that you must know, the incoming server and the outgoing server. So right now we are configuring incoming server. So this is the incoming server. So we'll just copy this and paste right here. Now the port, it says POP3 port is 995. So we'll select 995. Here we have options, and that's up to us. Leave a copy of retrieved message on the server. So if you want to leave a copy on your cPanel email, you can check this. But if you're doing it for to save your space, then you don't need to do it. So for now, we will do it. Always use secure connection SSL when retrieving mail. I would suggest yes. So now if you want to label your emails that is from uh, your official email, or you know that it's coming into your from that email, so you can just check this and say label it test as bizven.com, or if you want to label something different, so we'll just use like test email. Archive incoming messages. No, you don't want to archive. If you do, we will check on it. And add account. Next, yes, I want to be able to send email as test@bizbusiness.com. So if you're managing all your emails from this Gmail account, you want to reply, you want to send as a test as business, or as your actual email. So you simply click yes. You name the account, so we'll say test email account. Alright, make sure it's the treat as an alias is checked. Next. Alright, now you would configure SMTP. Just to mention, just so you know, POP3 is for incoming, right? And SMTP is for outgoing. So we'll copy this, paste it right here. Right, let's see, what is the server port? 465. So we'll select 465 right here. Again, the username is complete email, so test at bizvens.com. Password. Once you paste the password, I would suggest always go with the recommended. So select SSL and add account. Now you'd get a verification email in that your original account. So we'll go back to your webmail. Alright, open this email. Here is the code. We'll copy it and paste that and verify. Alright, now you're ready. One more thing, what you'll do is if you are mainly using this email with this Gmail account, so you want to make it make default, right? So it will always send email from this address of yours. You would have a option for using other email addresses. So now let's see. Let's send an email to, you see this right here, this automatically this email address would come up instead, not your Gmail account, right? So keep this. Now I'll send this to my personal email. Test. Right. Now we'll go on our personal email. Alright, here it is. We received this email from test@bizvents.com. Remember, you sent this from your Gmail account, but it's sending from test@bizvents.com. Now I'll go ahead and reply to this email. Test back. Let's see. Sending message sent. We'll wait for the undo. Now there you go. He's right here. Test. This is from Shumail. So we click here. See him, Shumail header. Test back. We have this email from my personal email to the test account email. Test@bizvents.com. Here we're receiving this email in our Gmail account right now. Now we have this email here as well, and it's not showing as new, however. So we can delete this, and well, thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video.